أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. My dear students, my dear viewers, my dear teachers, subscribers, may I introduce my lovely son, my lovely student, Suleman from Manchester, UK. Hello, assalamu alaikum, Suleman. How are you?
Welcome, Salam. I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Yes, I'm good. Thank you very much. Okay, Suleman, which class do you study?
I'm in 7th grade.
Okay, mashallah. And which subject in school do you like to read very happily?
Maths.
Oh, nice. Very good. Okay, beta, tell me which color do you like to see and where?
Green.
Oh, green. Nice. Very good. And would you like to tell us what's your favorite dish and the fruit? Wow. Tell us. I said
Burgers.
dish and fruits.
Burgers and apples.
Okay. Oh, nice. Very good. Okay, Suleman, are you ready to read a dua before start your lesson?
Yes.
Okay, please, let's start from Tahfuz and Tasmiyah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Then recite Tasmiyah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي رب زدني علما رب زدني علما رب زدني علما.
Okay, nice, mashallah. Suleman, can you see this page?
Yes.
Okay, Suleman, you will read
Yes.
only two verses, this one and this one, with English translation. Okay, and then I will tell you about their rules and I will tell you correction about letters. So let's start. Bismillah Rahman Rahim.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.
In
the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the most merciful.
Okay. Noon wal qalami wama yasturun.
Noon wal qalami wama yasturun.
Okay.
Noon. Only Allah knows the correct meaning of this letter. By the oath of the pen that recorded the destiny of the creation in the Lawhul Mahfuz, and by the oath of
Lawh Mahfuz. Okay.
and by the oath of what the angels recorded the actions people write. Ma anta بِنِعْمَةِ رَبِّكَ بِمَجْنُونٍ. By the grace of your Rabb, you, O Rasulullah, are certainly not insane.
Sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Peace be upon him.
Sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, peace be upon him. Are certainly not insane, as the mushrikeen maliciously claim.
Okay, mashallah. Very good, very good. Okay, listen, Suleman, listen. Noon, you will stretch, okay? You will prolong this noon because it has at the top a long mud over there, long mud on the top. You will stretch for equal to 5 alif. Noon, and then this is a waw, zabar wa will connect with the lam because this lam has jazm sign before waw, so this waw will connect with lam. Wal, wal, and this is the heavy letter qaf zabar qa, and middle shape of qaf zabar qa, and this is the huruf musta'aliya letters. Okay, khosa dagtin qis, they were 7 vowel letters, so the qaf is one of them. Qa, lam zabar la, means there me. Noon wal qalami wama, you will stretch a little bit because there is a zabar before alif. This is the alif madda here, you will stretch a little bit. Wama, and then yes, ya zabar ya will connect with the sin. Yes, tu, ta pesh tu, ra pesh waw, ru, noon zabar na. Wama yes turuna. When you stop at the last letter, because this is the waqf tam here, end of the verse, the last letter noon zabar na would be changed into noon sakina, and you will read wama yasturun. When you waqfan you will read turun. Okay, the second verse you read ma, you will stretch a little bit because this is the short mud over there, a waving line at the top. This is the short mud. Okay, ma, you will stretch a little bit here. This is a madde munfasil here because an other letter, the hamza, is appearing in the separate letter, so you will stretch ma. You make ikfa here because they were 15 ikfa letters, so the ta is one of them. After nun sakina or taneen, this is the nun sakina. After the nun sakina, ta is appearing, so this you make ikfa here. Next, ba zer bi and nun zer ni, connect with the ain. Ne'er, bi ne'er, bi ne'er, means the barma, ta zer ti, bi ne'mati, bi ne'mati. This is the throttle letters. They were 6 throttle letters, so ain is one of them. Bi ne'mati. This is a rabbi, ra zabar ba, rab ba zer bi, rabbi. This is a heavy letter due to zabar. Okay, and when we put zabar at the top of a ra, then a ra would become heavy letter. So rabbika the barka, rabbika, and this ba we will read twice time, rabbika. This is the ba zer b, mim zabar jim maj. This mim zabar ma connect with the jim sakina. This is the haruf qalqala letter, jim is the qalqala letter, and they were 5 qalqala letters, qutubu jaddin. So the jim is one of them. You will read this jim with echo sound, both pronounce, okay, the sound are correct. Echo or echo, both are correct. Be majnoon, this is the waw madda here, and this is the waqf tam here and waqf jazz here. It's better to stop and it's permissible to continue. So thank you very much, mashallah. And my dear students, please if you like this video, and please share this video as much as you can on different social medias. May Allah keep you always happy and succeed you in deen dunya and akhirah, far away from all the standing forces and their strategies and plannings and hurdles. Ameen. Say Salman, Allah